legal malpractice in Massachusetts. Good afternoon. I'm attorney Neil Burns, and along with my partner Rashan Jan, we represent victims of legal malpractice here in Massachusetts. I've been in this office at 6 Beacon Street since 1987, and I've represented hundreds of victims of legal malpractice. I want to talk a little bit today about what legal malpractice is, and we have other videos you can watch for more specifics. There's 4 elements that we look for in a legal malpractice case. First is, was there an attorney-client relationship? You can't have a legal malpractice case against your partner's attorney, your wife's attorney, your husband's attorney, your sister's attorney in an estate matter. It has to be your attorney. It doesn't have to be a signed fee agreement, but you have to have a case against your former attorney. Number 2, they have to be negligent. They have to have done something wrong. They have to have not met up to the standard of an attorney doing that type of work in Massachusetts. So, for example, car accident case, they missed the statute of limitations. They clearly did something wrong. If it's a trial and they had a tactic that didn't work out, that may not be malpractice. The third element, there has to be damages. You have to show that there is a loss of money. Something has to be quantifiable. Doesn't mean that a broken leg is easy to determine what the damages are, but there has to be some way of computing damages. And the last element that we look for is collectability on the underlying case and on this case. If the attorney isn't practicing anymore, has moved out of the state, doesn't have malpractice insurance, it's not collectible. On the other hand, most attorneys have malpractice insurance, and that part of the case is collectible. Then we look to the underlying case. Was that collectible? Again, going back to a car accident case, somebody hit you with a stolen vehicle. There's no insurance on that vehicle. We would look and see if there's U coverage on your vehicle. And if the attorney didn't go after that, there may be a malpractice case that's collectible. So these are the 4 basic things that we look for, the 4 basic elements. But it's incredibly complicated. You have to do a lot of work to get all of the facts in your case to the opposing attorney, the insurance company for the attorney, and to make your case. We go through a number of steps. First, we collect all the information, the prior file. Then we usually send a demand or 93A consumer protection letter. And finally, if there's no resolution, we file suit. Most of these cases can be resolved if they're clear, if those 4 elements are met very clearly, and if they're not, we can review the case with you. We offer a free file review. We've been doing this, as I said, since the 1980s. Call Burns and Jan, 617-227-7423. If you have a legal malpractice case, or you think you have a legal malpractice case, give us a call. We're effective, we're aggressive, and we care about you. Thank you.